Part 3, The Search for Extraterrestrial Life, SETI and the ET Visitors. Part 3, SETI and NASA. Well, let's go back to my question. What do those of us on planet Earth need protection from? What if life on Mars exists or existed billions of years ago? Jill Tarter of SETI.
Whether or not an extraterrestrial visitor is benevolent or potentially a threat is something of which various people have various opinions. Stephen Hawking is known for saying, when Columbus showed up in the New World, it didn't work out really well for the natives. But I think that's the wrong analogy. The ability to travel interstellar distances and actually show up on our doorstep is amazing. A huge technological gap that we can't breach at this point. So I think anything that they could need or want, they can manufacture in their own home system. Also, to have become that advanced technologically, I think they have to be a lot older than we are. And I don't have any reason to worry about an older technology that manages to come here. I think what they're interested in is curiosity. It's about us.
And out of curiosity, what would they look like? Again, Jill Tarter.
We don't know what they might look like. They're going to look like the planet they evolved on. We have evolved on a planet that is illuminated by a sun, so we have eyes that perceive light. Had we evolved on a planet that circled a small red dwarf star, we might have different sensors. Our eyes might not see visible. They might sense heat and infrared. Had we evolved on a planet that had more gravity because it was bigger than the Earth, we might be flatter. Had we evolved on a planet that was mostly ocean, we might have gills. It doesn't matter to me what they look like. And I think nature is probably a lot more imaginative than I am.
What are some of the things we've learned?
The difference between life and intelligence actually is getting more difficult to discern. We're beginning to understand the breadth of intelligence across a huge line of species. That encourages us to think that there's more habitable real estate out there than we might have thought. When we started the SETI quest, we didn't know whether there were planets around other stars. Now we know, thanks to ground-based telescopes and the Kepler spacecraft, that there are more planets than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Every star has at least one planet statistically. That was something we didn't know until just a couple of years ago.
Jill Tarter, Director Emeritus of SETI Research. If we are not alone, how long have they been visiting planet Earth? I'll have a report next Tuesday that could be something out of a Jules Verne novel. The U.S. battles the UFOs.